Hey guys, this is Legacy Boy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyway, it's a cliche. Let's move on. For those who don't know how to install Ubuntu, just check out my other video in my channel on how to install Ubuntu 18.04 because it's similar to installing Ubuntu 20.04. So let's move on, guys. Um, Here I'm gonna show you in this video on what are the things to do after installing Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Here we have a new setting called live patch. Wait, I'll explain it. In this live patch, like in the previous versions of Ubuntu, we don't have a live patch, and whenever you update your softwares and other security patches, you need to install, you need to restart your system to make changes, right? So in Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, when you enable the live patch, you shouldn't have to restart your system to make changes after any updates. So it's kind of a pros thing, and it's one of the pros thing in Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. And we have another one, my favorite one, the dark mode. It's a kind of new feature here. I like it. I'll show you here. So now at first you should choose a best server for a better updating speed. So I'll choose the best server from the software and update manager. Here it is, the software and update manager. In this you should enable the first four options. You can just read it, you will be able to understand. So I will choose the server which is best around me. So to find the best server, a series of tests will be performed to find the best server around me. That's what it is. It will be testing. It will take some time for 5 to 6 minutes. So I have skipped the part. So I'll choose here the mirror speed when it's webworks. And for every time you select a server, it will show you a different one. Like it will show a different random one, but it will be best for you. Just type in the password. Okay, it's done. In here, it will show you other third-party software updates, and you can enable it for updates. And here you can configure what all the notifications you want, what all the updates you want, weekly, daily, like it's your choice, right? These are the keys, additional drivers. Like for example, you have a graphic card, it will show additional drivers. And this is the live patch I have talked about. Just to use live patch, you need to sign in, just enable it, and you shouldn't have to restart your system. When you close it, it will refresh the software cache. So that for the update software update manager, whenever you update the software, it will show a list. So it's refreshing the cache for configuration purpose. It do take some time. And I said about the dark mode, right? This is the dark mode. When you use the standard mode or light mode, it will not show these full, like the dark structure here. It's kind of cool. So here I'm going to install software updater. It will check for updates. Updating the softwares on other patches, it will take some time to 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll just show you, but I will not be installing it here. It will also show you how much MB will be downloaded. Next, I'll show you how to install VLC Media because it's one of the greater media players of all time. It also supports many formats, and it's better than the uh, media player given by Ubuntu. I have already installed it using command line, so for it will take some time. And for this next installation, it's ubuntu-restricted-extras, which is not given you officially because of copyright issues. And here you can install uh, like extra fonts, extra media packages, supporting packages, and other packages. It will help you. And for this screen, just press the tab button and enter. So I will press the tab button. OK. I'll just then accept the license using my arrow keys and then press enter. It will install other packages here like unrar and other supporting packages. Okay. Now I will show you how to install third-party softwares. For example, a Chrome, which have an official website which will have a Debian package just like windows.exe file extension package. We have a .debian package and you can download it from here. I've already downloaded it and I'll show you. Here I have Google Chrome stable.deb package, and for new users it will show install button, and I have already installed the Chrome. It will show me a remove button right here. I'll show you. Yeah, see, and I have already downloaded some other softwares from websites, VirtualBox, Zoom, Debian packages. And this is the software center. Here you can download all kinds of softwares. There's lots of softwares available here. You can also install Zoom from here, but I have installed from their own website. Here there's a Zoom client, Zoom cloud meeting software. I also have installed Telegram from here. It's quite superb. It will take some time because there's a lots of software to search, right? Telegram desktop. I installed it already. And for VirtualBox, I have also installed it. Wait a minute, it's not showing here. I'll search it again. VirtualBox. Yeah, it's showing Oracle VM VirtualBox. I've already installed it. You can install all the software types, but you should install one software at a time. It's kind of safe. And for other options, it will take some time to load because of huge software collections. I have ClamDK for virus scanning, Discord app, just like mobile applications. I have two VLC media, one I installed from the official website and one I have installed right now with the command line. So I already told you to install one software at a time because on installing a single software and when you install other software there will be an error. So when you finish one software, so then you come to the next software for installation. Here I'm removing the VLC media and it will take some time and it will not show you any box or any dialog box. It's kind of removing. Just press the button and put the password and it will automatically be removed. Here you can use the permissions, configurations and settings here. Okay, it will automatically be removed. Next, it's LibreOffice. It's kind of just like similar to MS Office. In settings, we can use the default application options to defaultly open any websites or other things. So for music, I have used default application Rhythm Box. For videos, I have used VLC Media as default application. It will automatically be there. It will just load it, and here you can see VLC Media is removed. Here VLC Media has been become the default application. And I have told you about the appearance, right? Dark mode, standard mode, light mode. And you can use this genome tweaks settings, and these are all the settings which are not available on the official Ubuntu settings right in the corner. You can easily install it from software center. Genome tweaks or tweaks, just install tweaks. That's it, guys. And you can configure your desktop by your choice, like configuring the size of docs, the icons, etc., etc. Now we have a laptop mode tool. It will prolong your battery life, laptop battery life. It's kind of new thing. Just type in this code sudo apt install laptop mode tools. Just type in your password and press enter. I have already installed it, but for you it will take some time. When you click it, it will ask for password. Just type in the password and click OK. And you can enable all the other options by your choice. You can use the website for help support. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions to ask, just comment in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching.